Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on removing a second Facebook Messenger account from your iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. In order to do this, you have to be logged in to a different account to the one that you want to remove. So open up Messenger and tap on your profile image in the top left corner. Then select Switch Account from the menu. Now, on the account that you want to remove, you need to hold down and slide to the left. Then tap Remove. Tap Remove again on the pop-up. That account will now be logged out and removed from your phone. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Messenger tips and tricks.